In this video, I will explain how to set up Selenium Grid with Hub and Nodes. First, we'll get the knowledge on what is Selenium Grid. So, Selenium Grid is a part of Selenium suite that specializes in running multiple tests across different browsers, operating systems, and machines in parallel. So, this is the main reason we use Selenium Grid. So, we can run our scripts on different browsers, operating systems, and machines. So Selenium Grid uses a hub node concept where you only run tests on single machine called hub, but the execution will be done by different machines called nodes. Now we set up the hub and nodes step by step. So here I will give the live example. So I will explain you how to set up hub and how to set up node and how to link the node to the hub. So here nodes, I'll set up only single node, not the multiple nodes. So you can follow the same process on how I'm setting up node. We can do it for all other nodes. Okay, first we'll go through how we set up the hub. Okay, first make sure Java is installed on hub machine or the machine where you want to make the hub machine. So this is the first important step. Next, create a folder, then download the latest Selenium Server standalone jar file from Google in the folder. What you have created. Then create a text file with the below data. So create a text file with the below data. CD. This is the folder what I have created. Selenium Server. Then Java. This is minus jar. So what is the jar name? What you have downloaded? Selenium Server. Then role. Hub port. This is the default port. Okay, once you create the text file, close the text file, then convert the text file into batch file. So you have to rename by renaming extension .txt into .bat. So you can remove the .txt and make it a .bat. Once convert the file, so the file looks like this. Then execute the file. The server will be started. Then click on that batch file. The server will be started. Yeah, now I'll show the example. Okay, here in C drive I have created the folder Selenium Server. Here I have downloaded the Selenium Server standalone jar 3.5.0. First I created the text file. So and I have added this content, and after that I have converted this text file into batch file. So this is the batch file. So you click on this, the server will be started. Yeah, the server is started. Now we'll see how to set up the node step by step. So here also, first make sure Java is installed on the node machine or the machine which you want to make node machine. Then same create the folder, then download the latest Selenium Server standalone jar file from Google in the folder. Then create a folder and download the Chrome drive. So which browser you want to execute the scripts, whether it's a Chrome or it's a Firefox. So here I am taking example of Chrome. So first you have to download the Chrome driver. Then create a text file with the below data. CD C colon Selenium Server grid files. So this is the folder I have created, and I have downloaded the jar file, Selenium Server standalone jar file in this folder, Selenium Server grid files. Java minus the WebDriver Chrome driver. So where the Chrome driver is copied or downloaded. So here I have downloaded under Selenium Server grid files folder, then drivers, then Chrome driver, then Chrome driver.exe. So this is the path where I have downloaded the Chrome driver.exe. Then minus jar Selenium server. Yeah, so you have mentioned the Selenium server standard 3.5.0 jar. Then browser timeout 0 role minus role node hyphen hub. So you have to give the grid URL. So what is the grid mission or hub mission URL? So this is the my grid mission. This is my hub mission URL. Grid mission. Then so this is a hub mission. So that name hub mission. That mission name. This is my hub mission name. Grid mission colon triple four slash grid stat register. Then you have to hyphen browser name Chrome version equal to any. So how many instances you want? Browser instances. So either how many you want, you can give that one. Then platforms, Windows or it's a Mac. So based on your need, you can update this platform. After that, same convert text file into batch file by renaming extension .txt into .bat. Once convert the file, looks like this one. This is the batch file. How it looks like. Then execute the file. The node will be started. Now we'll see the live example. Yeah, so this is the node mission. So here I have created the Selenium Server grid files folder. So I have downloaded the Selenium Server standalone and the drivers, Chrome driver. Here I have downloaded the Chrome driver. Then I'll open the start node. You can see that I have what the content I have explained. So here I have mentioned all this. Okay, so now after that I have converted into batch file. So this is a batch file. So now I click on start node. Yeah, the node is started. Yeah. Now we go to the next step. Okay, now we're going to the Selenium Grid step. Now check the node is connected to a hub using Selenium Grid console URL. Okay, so this is my hub mission colon triple four slash grid slash console. So this is the URL. So you can replace your hub mission and execute this URL. So once you execute the URL, so it can looks like this one. Yeah. So this is the HTTP. This is the IP address of node mission, and so here you can see here all configuration. Then you can see that how many instances are created browser. Okay, so this is the URL. So I executed this URL. You see this one. Yeah. So now the hub and node is up. They are connected. Yeah. So in the video description, definitely I'll give the hub batch file content and node file content for your use. And thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and share. And I'll create one more video how to execute the script from Jenkins on hub by mentioning the grid hub URL. So I'm creating one more video. You can watch that video on how to execute your script on hub and node missions. Thank you.